Hello guys, teacher. To one point is start. Personal information. What is my full name? My full name is Darlivanis Obregón. Where I am from? I am from Bogota. How old are you? I am 21 years old. What do you for a living? My occupation is work and study. Um, where you live? I live in Yoge. Describe the place where you live. I am group of apartments next to a forest. Uh, Personality. What are your hobbies? My hobbies is I like to go for a walk, to go to the mountains, to different activities with nature. Mention some of your qualities. I am a receptive. A health person. Those are some of my qualities and my weaknesses are my strong, temperamental, and tan, and often do not control my emotions. Um, Continue with a weekend routines and plans. I go out with my boyfriend, friends, camping, discovering new place, or we stay watching movies. Describe your daily routine. I work from Monday to Saturday. At night I do university work. 5:30 I go to the gym. I'm an important person in your life. My brother is a very important person in my life. Your name is Milan. How old are you? He is 8 years old and studying. Occupation is a student. Okay. Continue. He is tall, with a white skin, cut hair, and brown eyes. I consider my brother today a very generous and tender person. He has a very strong character, and on some occasions he is disorganized. Oh, bad, really bad. Experience. Share an experience that might you feel happy. The day my brother was born was a very happy moment for me. Describe an event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. This year, 2023, my has been very difficult. Unfortunately, two relatives have died from warm. Learning main things and appearance a lot. Um, Dreams and future plans. Share some of your future plans after graduations. My goals is to be able to do Canada at career capital and create my own laboratory. What are you going to do? Graduate to the career of my dreams with pharmaceuticals, ceramics. Go to the Canada, create new economical resources, and create my only laboratory. And until not, I don't want to be married, and I don't want children either. To finish a video, and thank you very much.